When asked what's the biggest mistake we make in life, the Buddha replied, the biggest mistake is you think you have time. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. And once it's lost, you can never get it back.
We try to stack habits one at a time, because if we're chasing 2 rabbits at the same time, we're not gonna catch either of them. Based on my 5-year goal, what's the one thing I need to accomplish in 1 year? So your goal now is to select one that if you improve it in the next 90 days, it might improve maybe 2 other dimensions.
You never realize that you can go to some of these things and get actually other things from other people that they're saying, and I just pulled out a lot from it, and it was really helpful.
I thought it was really good, really thought-provoking questions. Going through the process of making goals from 5 years down to a year to a month to a week really makes you kind of zero in on the action.
I loved it. It's very well organized. Is very well structured and explained, and what I loved the most was that Jeff pushed me.
I thought it was structured really well. I thought Jeff has really good energy.
This workshop was really good on figuring out more of what I want so I can set those bigger goals.